What's wrong?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy's not in the car, Claire.
What are y'all doing?
We're going to the beach to go canoeing. We're going to go canoeing at the beach.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Claire.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Which button is this on the car? Which button?
It's the go button.
Okay. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or this one?
Don't stick anything in the outlet, please.
Or this one? This one?
Claire, what you eating?
That one, okay.
What is that? Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy pizza.
Chips.
Chips?
Yeah. Chips.
I thought it was pizza.
We are going for a canoeing ride.
Claire, you stuck?
Yeah.
How are you going to get out?
Daddy. Mama.
Yes? You're okay. Crawl under the bed.
No. Crawl under the bed. Crawl under
Claire, say I love you. Take the cup away and say it silly. Claire, say I love you. Okay, I love you too.
No. No.
Did you take her chip, Addison?
I was sharing. She wanted to share with me.
Mm-hmm.
We are at the beach, Claire.
All right, y'all say bye.
Bye.
Love you.